Security information and event management, or SIEM tools, are essential for organizations aiming to safeguard their digital environments. These tools excel at log management, collecting data from firewalls, servers, and applications, and storing it for analysis. They identify patterns through event correlation, helping teams spot potential threats before they escalate. Real-time alerts notify security personnel of suspicious activities, while intuitive dashboards provide a visual summary of incidents and trends, streamlining decision-making. Whether cloud-hosted, self-hosted, or hybrid, SIEM tools like Splunk and IBM Cradar offer powerful capabilities for threat detection and incident response. They ensure compliance with industry standards and provide actionable insights that empower security teams to act swiftly. In a world where cyber threats are ever-evolving, leveraging the right SIEM tool is not just an option, it's a necessity for robust security management.